Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. By default, all OptinMonster campaigns appear on all devices. But if you have a Pro subscription or higher, we've made it super simple to create campaigns that appear only on mobile devices. In this video, I'll show you how to create a campaign that appears only on mobile devices using one of our mobile templates. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. On the OptinMonster campaign dashboard, click Create New Campaign, and then select the type of campaign you want to create. Next, choose Mobile in the filter options to view the mobile-specific campaign templates. Browse the templates and select the template you'd like to use. You can click Preview to see an example, or click Use Template to select it. Type a name and select the website where you want the campaign to appear, and then click Start Building. In the Builder, customize your design as much or as little as you'd like. For complete details on customizing your design, be sure to check out our documentation on creating your first campaign. I've left a link in the description. Next, head over to Display Rules. This is where you configure when, where, and for whom your campaign will appear on your visitor's mobile device. There are countless display rule configurations you can create, and you can create simple or complex rule sets based on your specific needs. For complete details, check out our documentation. I've left a link in the description. When you've finished setting the display rules, head over to Publish. Under Publish Status, select Publish, and then click Save in the top right corner. And that's it! The campaign is now live for visitors on mobile devices. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help.